we are heading out ice fishing. We're going with the man, the myth, the legend. You.
I do have success fishing.
So, we'll see what we can see today. Find fish, catch. That's the word, catch. So we're heading out, but we'll catch you guys there. See what we can catch. So since we're not very professionals at this, we have the hand instead of the automatic, but we're just trying to use some of these old holes to make it a little easier for us. So,
It builds character.
Yep, we'll get this going. There's a guy, the guy over there, he's got like 4 or 5 on the bank already, so. All right, we're just setting up, getting our poles ready.
Cooling off a bit.
Yeah, it took us a hot second to drill the holes, but we're getting going now. And yes, before any of you mention it in the comments, these snow pants are too small for me. So I don't want to hear it. We're gonna try these green power bait. Power eggs. You tried the pink ones?
Yeah.
Let's see which one works better. Just going with this little pink jig here. The little green power egg. So, let's drop it in.
You have a fish?
Yeah.
Really? Attaboy. You're so calm about it.
I didn't think I had one at first, because I was trying to get my reel fixed. Fish on! Oh, let's see him.
Little rainbow, dude. Ah, not a bad little rainbow, dude.
There you go.
Took the trout magnet. How many do we want to keep? Oh, dude, I just want a brook trout. I want a good little brook trout.
Little brookie? I made a mistake. Brought milk duds. This thing's gonna be hard as a rock.
Yeah. Stuck on it. Taffy.
What do you think that one is? A 12, 13 incher?
Yeah, 12.
Even though I haven't caught one yet, it's kind of fun.
Oh, yeah.
Especially when it's not like freezing cold.
Mm-hmm.
I can do this. Because that was my thing. Everyone that I've always talked to, well, basically my family, like, why would you ever want to go ice fishing? You just sit in the cold.
It would be nice to get like a.
Maybe next year. Wait, you're not gonna be here next year.
Yeah, I like this line a lot. It like falls down really quick.
All that work we put into that hole.
Hey, I want to go back at some point. I just want to get some lines in the water.
We could go drill it for a second. Well, it's kind of deadish. Well, this spot paid off for you. Got a little fish.
Yeah, that one at least. We'll get more, I think. It comes in waves. It's nice if if there's a fish in a school, you're gonna get the fish that are closest to the bank. I'll get the ones on this side. Whereas if you were lined like this, like horizontally, parallel to the bank, you know, the one fish would if he's going straight would have to go through two lines. So it's like,
Yeah.
the person in the back potentially won't get that same fish. I'm also talking straight out of my ass right now. That's if I know what I'm talking about. It just makes sense that way.
So I'm over here just jigging, and this man over here just caught a second fish. Which one do you think's bigger, first or second?
Huh?
Which one do you think's bigger, your first or your second?
It's the same size, dude.
There's the fishies. And I've still caught none yet.
They're here.
All right, well, we are done for the day. It's getting windy and it's cold, but he caught two fish, like 12 inchers, and I caught this many. So overall, a good day, good time ice fishing. So we'll have to come out and try it again another time and try and catch more fish.
Tried to come out earlier.
Yeah, we didn't get out here till like 8:30, so if we get out here a little earlier. We talked to a guy that was catching more earlier in the day. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.